But this is the first time we've seen you get into a lyrical confrontation. This was when Tommy Lee, Version, Chronicler. All three of those were interesting, but to me, the most interesting one was the Chronicler. You see, that one there, it's because you guys were spitting out the tune them like
day by day, yeah.
Boss, I think in one day, 2 songs came out in the same day, boss.
Yeah, man. Chronicler, bad artist.
Yeah.
Likewise myself, and him know that too, because at the end of the day, remember, him a sing, him a drop a song right now, me a listen to it and go in the studio same time and I find back and I counteract. So you don't know a normal thing. And a normal thing. Is what I say, but good experience, is what I say. Yeah, man.
Because that was the first time I heard you start to almost talk certain things that you wouldn't really expect somebody like Jamiel, Chip Black and all of these stuff. Even though it was flowing, don't get it twisted, The flows on them were crazy, boss. But really, Jamiel really sing more Chip Black and badness. But I guess when you're on defense, it's a different.
I just saw a thing, man. I have remember say Jamiel, even though righteousness we are deal with, I'm a very lyrical person.
That we discovered very quickly.
Yeah, and you don't know. Me have that thing, that clashing thing, me have that thing on me from long time. No, if you ask people, me and them used to go to school, them I go tell you, say, him, love clash. That's what I say. Yeah, man. So you go, man. I just one of them things, there, is it?
When you started to put out those type of music in the Clash Zone, how did your fans feel about it right then? Because again, we know you as more of the reality, conscious pain, and those type of songs. How did your fans, not the broader scope, your day one fans, how did they feel about what you're doing at that time?
Well, I mixed feelings. As I say, some say, oh, you should allow that, and some say, oh, you have to defend yourself. As I say, I never really like the Chronicler clash because I feel like I was the aggressor still. And that I know me still. As in, he might avoid me and me. Is what I say? Yeah, that I never really my style. I don't know what happened at that time, but I saw it go still. But you don't know. The fans, them, respect goes out to the fans, them, as I say. But that was one of them things still.
Yeah. Where sometimes you see growing up as an artist in the spotlight, even when you're young, you have to go through certain things that 20 years from now, you're going to look back and say, okay, that probably wasn't my proudest moment, but I had to go through that in order to become who I am today.
Because after the clash there, I really know what me about and know say it bigger. Because it never really do nothing for me per se still. So I say, I really the songs them were like the Gay in the World them and the True Colors, I really them songs there work for Jamiel as I say still, but you don't know defense mode still, is it? But the journey continues, man, and our righteousness, man, I see it.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusichut.com.